These poor man's burnt ends have us feeling rich. We're going to take a chuck roast, 3 to 4 pounds, slice it up into cubes. Then we're going to season it with salt, pepper, garlic, and then on top with another spicy rub. Make sure to get all sides. We're smoking with hickory wood, 250 degrees just for a couple of hours, spritzing with beef broth and water. Wrap at 165, butter and honey back into your smoker until the internal temperature hits 205. We're going to rest for 30 minutes with some barbecue sauce. Pour all the pan drippings on there, and I have no words for this one. Find the full recipe at smokedbarbecuesource.com.